Hi angels, hi my sweet sisters. How are you all doing today? Today's video is going to be on my Coach bag, my Coach Terrain bag. It's a Coach Terrain belt bag. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, stick with me, as well as I wanted to go over my signature hat collection. I know you guys want to talk about that. It's so much fun for the spring and for the summer months. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is this lovely bag right here, my Coach Terrain belt bag. And this bag comes so in handy. Even though it was sold in the men's section when I purchased it, I'm so glad I picked it up because I use it as a crossbody belt bag or as just a crossbody. And I've worn this bag grocery shopping. I've taken it with me to Myers and to Whole Foods. Anytime whenever I go grocery shopping, it's so easy to just sling this bag across me and put all my essentials in here. I could put my wallet, my little Coach zip card case in here. I love this bag so much in my handbag collection, and it has a back pocket right here that I notice I always put my cell phone in this back zip pocket right here, and then the front pocket right here as well. You could put your debit cards or your keys or even your cell phone if your cell phone is small enough to fit in here. I usually put my cell phone in the back and my keys, my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder in here, or your Coach key holder in the front here for your cars, your car keys, and your house keys, so you have easy access to them. And then the main zip compartment has a lot of room. It has a lot of space in there, so you'll be able to put everything in here. I absolutely love this bag crossbody, and wearing it crossbody when I'm going out. It just comes very in handy for me whenever I want to be hands-free. I can just sling it across my body and go. I'm not bogged down with another heavy bag. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about is my hat collection, you guys, my Coach signature hat collection. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is this one right here. And let me know which one works best for you guys. If you think that you would enjoy the Coach signature bucket hat right here. Now the bucket hat is one size fits all, and a lot of times I do notice that sometimes this can be a little snug on your head. You know, if you have a lot of hair, you might want to just slick it back like this, and then you could put the bucket hat on and wear it with no problem. This is a unisex item. It's sold in one size by the Coach outlet or by the Coach store, and I'll have all the links for you guys down below, but I enjoy this bucket hat in my collection. So the next one that I wanted to talk about is none other than these two beauties right here, and these are my Coach visors. The visors were really hot this summer. I know Dior did a visor. A lot of the high-end fashion houses like Gucci does visors. And these are two of the Coach signature visors that I enjoy in my hand when I'm rocking my handbags in my handbag collection. This one I like because it doesn't get dirty very quickly. You know, I might wear hair dye in my hair or have my hair, you know, in a certain style, and this one doesn't pick up any transfer of anything because it's darker, so it's really easy to wear. This one, I still have to go ahead and snip the tag. I don't think I need that long extended tag on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and snip that off. But yeah, this one looks very nice with some of my Coach signature denim pieces in my handbag collection. The next one that I wanted to talk about is this signature one right here. And this one is very nice to wear with like your penny bag or with any other signature Coach bag in your collection. Your Hudson, your Lucy bag, any of the Coach signature camera bags would look nice with this. Your Rowan satchel. This can go with any Coach bag. It's such a nice Coach accessory. The visors are so nice for spring and summer. This is a perfect time of year to wear the visors, both of them. So I absolutely love both of these in my hat collection. The next item that I wanted to talk about in my hat collection, you gotta have the baseball cap. You have to have the baseball cap for Coach. So this is the Coach baseball cap, and it's so adorably cute. And this is what it looks like. And you guys know, me and Raina, we've worn these and rocked these together. You guys have seen a lot of my videos that we've worn these, and I absolutely love the baseball hat. The baseball cap and the visors are so classic. Every year, Coach redoes them in different styles. So let me know, comment down below and let me know what is the perfect Coach hat for you. Are you a baseball girl? Are you a bucket girl with a bucket hat? Are you a visor girl? Which hat would you rock with your Coach signature pieces or just with your Coach leather bags? Which one of the hats from the Coach outlet or from the Coach store would you choose? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you ladies soon in tomorrow's video.